Please watch this video carefully and we need to give our full support to Gaurav Gulati. So my humble advice and humble request to you is to retweet the tweet linked in the description of the video because OnePlus is playing it super dirty and me personally, I do not like it. So this person here, Gaurav Gulati, he's an advocate from India. His OnePlus Nord 2 exploded. He tweeted about it. OnePlus wanted to take the phone and examine it. He denied it. He said, I'm not going to give it to you. I will take you to court. You should check all the OnePlus Nord 2 which are sold in India, and if there is a battery blast issue or any other issue with the device, then that thing should be tested and there should be an inquiry, and temporarily, just for the safety of the people, the sales of Nord 2 should be banned in India. That is what he wanted. I do not know how he pursued it legally, whether he pursued it legally or not, but OnePlus is playing it super dirty. Through their legal team, they sent him a cease and desist letter. The screenshots, all the relevant links, all the relevant videos, tweets, everything are in the description of this video. So for starters, without wasting any time, do retweet what is linked in the description of this video. The tweet, ask your favorite YouTuber to retweet it because we do need to raise our voice against OnePlus. So the cease and desist letter by OnePlus, it says that Gaurav Gulati is making self-contradictory statements and he wants to malign the reputation of OnePlus. This is a smear campaign. Then it also goes on to say that whatever statements were made to Gadgets 360, the other Notebook Check website, all of those need to be retracted. They also say that as per their examination, the phone blasted because of some external force, thereby implying that Gaurav Gulati did it on purpose to defame OnePlus and that it is a smear campaign and it injures the reputation of the client. You got to be kidding me, OnePlus. Instead of worrying about the other person not getting injured, you are blatantly lying and telling him that he wants to injure the reputation of OnePlus. Instead of looking into the explosions, you are sending him a cease and desist, and on top of that, OnePlus wants Gaurav Gulati to delete all his tweets regarding this matter, right? Delete all the tweets, then also send a written apology to OnePlus and also send a written notice to the media outlets which covered the story or which interviewed him that he was lying. Gotta be seriously kidding me, OnePlus. Gotta be seriously kidding me. And they also want him to stop making any more statements about the Nord 2 blasting. I mean, the water has now crossed the head. That is what is happening over here. OnePlus, again, this is how all corporations work, right? Anybody, a single citizen who raises his voice, they try to shut him down by sending him a cease and desist letter. And I truly hope that this person, Gaurav Gulati, fights it out. Why? Because he is an advocate, he is a person of the law, he can take legal opinion very easily. If it was somebody like me or somebody else whose phone blasted, who has no means of taking a legal opinion, that is what these companies pry on. Companies like OnePlus, whoever it is, that is what these companies pry on. They try to shut you down as soon as you raise your voice. So now we need to raise our voice as a single team and teach OnePlus a lesson. I wonder if OnePlus is now going to send cease and desist notices to all the different blogs, all the different YouTubers who have covered this story. Why? Because you can, tell this person to delete his tweets, but what about the screenshots? Anybody who screenshots it, uses it in his video, retweets the screenshot, are you going to send a cease and desist letter to everybody out there? Seriously, OnePlus, you are like stooping down to a foolish level and killing your reputation. I guess that is what happens when you merge with Big Daddy Oppo. Let us keep it calm and collected and retweet the tweet which is linked in the description of the video, because that is what we as a team can do and should do. We need to get behind this person, give him all the support he needs, because this is one lone person who might be fighting against a Goliath. It could be a David versus Goliath story, but we need to support him, because when enough people make enough noise, then corporations can be brought down.